Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to calculate the age from birth date and show it in your Excel table. Also, you can calculate the total days lived according to the date of birth. And it's very simple, don't be afraid. We're going to figure it out together. First of all, in order to write our function, we are coming inside the age column and inside the cell of D3, and we are writing the following. We say equal, and then we are using the function dateIf. I'm gonna capitalize every letter. DateIf, opening the parentheses, and for this it's a hidden function. We don't have any description how we can use it, simply by saying that we're going to use the date of birth and then semicolon, and then we have to get today's date like that, today, opening parenthesis, closing parenthesis, and we're doing the semicolon once again. And as we want to calculate the age, we're opening the double quote and we say year. We're closing double quote once again. We're closing the parentheses and we are pressing enter. As you can see, we are 43 years old. And in order to apply it to below cells, I'm clicking double mouse click on this square. Double click, and as you can see, the Excel did the magic and calculated for us the ages according the function that we write. It's a secret formula. So now, as we have figured out how many the age, I want to calculate the total days lived until today since we are born. I'm coming once again to E3 cell, and then we are writing once again dateIf. We're opening the parentheses. It's a hidden formula, as you can see. We're clicking the date of birth, semicolon, and we're getting today's date like that, semicolon once again. We are doing double quote, and we're gonna say day, which represent the D represents the day of the year of the date. We're closing the parentheses. We're clicking enter. As you can see, we total lived 15,992 days. In order to apply to below cells, we're coming once again to the selected cell and we're clicking the double click, left click of the mouse. And here we have the days we lived total according our date of birth. So the video was like this. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you very soon in the next one. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.